Today at MQM News Network, we want to talk to you about the police billboards. Oh, sorry, not billboards, the police barricades. Across Goa, whenever you're traveling in any part of the state, you will find that these police barricades carry advertisements primarily for casinos. Hello, hi, salam, or namaste. Welcome to MQM News Network. The question we raise at MQM News Network is, who is authorized to sell these police barricades, this government property, as advertising space? Where does the revenue go? What is it being utilized for? Who is supervising the income and the outflow of the revenue that comes in by selling police barricades as advertising space, be it for a casino or for any other brand? Thousands of children go missing every year. The government currently runs the Khoya Paya portal and the Vatsalya portal in order to track the cases of these missing children. However, in the state of Goa, there is no current tracking of what happens to the end of when a child goes missing. Does it get filed under kidnapping cases? What about the cases of children who have never been found as of yet? What is the update on it? These barricade spaces could be used to advertise the faces of those children who have gone missing, who have immediately been gone missing, or who have been kidnapped, or those kids who have just gone astray. Imagine if these barricades carried the pictures of these children, there could be hope of them being found, even without utilization of government resources. Wouldn't this space be better utilized for that purpose? If a child goes missing and the barricade carries their picture, and it can be divided area-wise. So if a child goes missing in an area like Panjim, then the police in Panjim would constantly have a recall value of which child has gone missing and where to track them. And similarly, the barricades can carry faces of these missing children as per different areas where they have gone missing. Women's safety has been an issue of prime concern for every state in the country. These barricades can be very well used to display the helpline numbers for a woman who has no idea of where to connect with which helpline at a time when she really needs it. So the barricade can display helpline numbers like the 1091 or even emergency helpline numbers like the 112. There is a major state of confusion and chaos as to which area falls under CRZ norms, which area is under NDZ zone, which area is under which beach and which taluka and which panchayat. The barricades can carry clear-cut sound pollution norms on the barricade. To avoid any confusion, the barricade can carry information about CRZ rules to be followed. Similarly, the barricades can carry information of which rule is a must. The barricades can carry information about littering, about the fines associated with public littering. Now on the screen, we will be showing you data that MQM News Network has collated by going through several documents, past previous records, and this is what we have found. This is the kind of money that is being pumped in every year through public taxes in order to purchase property for the police. This is filed under either miscellaneous costing or police bandobast. And this police bandobast even gets a hike when there is a tourist season expected. Over 10,000 barricades are placed across the state of Goa. As far as police barricades advertising goes, there is absolutely no transparency as to what is the cost, as to where does this money come in from, where does this go, who can apply, and what happens at the end of it. Who is the monitoring committee, who is the supervisor for barricade advertising? This police property, which the public pays for repeatedly year after year, needs to be utilized for the wellness, for the welfare of its own people, instead of advertising projects and brands that the government aims to take a stand against. This is a special report by MQM News Network. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and stay tuned into MQM News Network, because this is just part one of a series on government property that is being funded by the public but is not being used for the public. The Indian Army protects us from the enemies outside, while MQM News Network vows to protect you from the enemies within. Jai Bharat, Jai Innovation.